cool, but that is real pain. Excuse me, even nobody's on my lane. I was in New York, I was fucking a Yankee. I was fucking with bass, I was touching Frankie. These niggas so cranky, feeling a hanky. But mommy, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Higher than the cake, I get higher than my prince. The snow like bunty, get cookies up with the bump. I'll be acting like the crowd is nothing I'm on. Cause I'm a stealer, pushing out the dealer. All the dope boys gon' feel it. Low sauce, I need a healer. Fuck with my back, concealer. I'll be out for a big, big, big deal. Cause I'm a big deal. That's why I got more head than a big pill. Cause the man should get into my bag. I think I have a rap bitch on my underside. Niggas spit, shame my shoes. You know I keep a bad bitch, let me say it, boo. I'm the only thing hopping like a kangaroo. I mean the only thing hopping like a kangaroo. Listen, you should buy a 16 cause I write it good. That 808 you off cause I write it good. And bitches can't find a man cause I write it good. I'm no old favorite that I write it good. You see it in the piggy in the market. Give that bitch a quarter and a cup to the pocket. I don't fuck with pigs like Assalamu alaikum. I put them in the field, I let ask for my baker. And if you see it in the piggy in the market, give that bitch a quarter and a cup to the pocket. I don't fuck with pigs like Assalamu alaikum. I put them in the field and I let ask for my baker. You should buy a 16 cause I write it good. That 808 you off cause I write it good. And bitches can't find a man cause I write it good. I'm no old favorite that I write it good. See it in the piggy in the market. Give that bitch a quarter and a cup to the pocket. I don't fuck with pigs like Assalamu alaikum. I put them in the field, I let ask for my baker. And if you see it in the piggy in the market, give that bitch a quarter and a cup to the pocket. I don't fuck with pigs like Assalamu alaikum. I put them in the field and I let ask for my baker.
So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I've missed y'all so much, y'all, so much. I have fun doing this little style. This probably lasts me a few days, you know what I mean, before I come back and I'm gonna do me another style. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what y'all think of my little scissor curls method, because I just came up with that on the spot. And probably when I get tired of them, I'm probably gonna put them in like buns. But right now, this works. And I actually wanted to like put some curls on them and all that, but I'm not even gonna do it. Yeah, I love these. These are so cute, so innocent. Affordable hairstyle, you guys. So I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye. Love you, Domination.